Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best professional hair dryers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many professional hair dryers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each professional hair dryers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a professional hair dryer. First, focus on the motor type. Professional models often use AC or brushless motors that deliver stronger airflow and longer life. Next, check the wattage because higher wattage means faster drying and less heat damage. Also, look for multiple heat and speed settings to control styling precision for different hair types. Weight and ergonomics are equally important since a lighter design reduces hand fatigue during use. Don't forget about attachments like diffusers and concentrators that improve styling versatility. Ionic or ceramic technology can also help reduce frizz and add shine. Finally, consider the cord length and overall durability to ensure comfort and long-term use. Choosing the right combination of these features guarantees salon quality results at home. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.